Hi everyone, this is the week 3 assignment video. This video is going to cover from 3.0 down to 3.3. This one is a video all on its own. So let's look at 3.0. This week we're going to learn the basic features of Microsoft Word 2013. Word's become a universal software, and it has. Most likely you need skills with this program to be an effective employee. You're going to focus on some basic skills that will help you create a paper in Word while you research a company in your field. So Microsoft Office, read this article to see how it's used in business and how you might use it in your career. The objectives for this week is different parts of the Word screen, how to set appropriate margins for documents, appropriate indents to text, demonstrate how to change spacing on documents, demonstrate how to insert headers, automatic page numbering, proofing a document, and how Microsoft Word is used in your field. And we're going to talk a little bit more about this last one. So reading some resources is getting to know Word, Word formatting, Word page layout, indents, line and paragraph spacing, headers, check spelling, and Microsoft alternatives. This last one you need to remember because we're going to find out in a minute. Google Docs, Office Online, OpenOffice, and LibreOffice. And I'm not familiar with LibreOffice. So let's go back over to modules. Again, you're seeing this from my screen, not yours. And we're going to scroll down. That's where the lecture is going to be. Discussion real word processing, okay? Play it. Okay, so here's the different groups that there are. Word processing software such as Microsoft Word, used in almost every field. Take time to research your own field to learn how word processing might be used. Now, there is a help for you if you want to use it. You do not have to do this one. So I go to usually this site, Occupational Outlook Bureau of Labor Statistics. And here they have all kinds of occupations, and there's subsets of all these. So this isn't just all of them. So if you do medical assisting, I was playing with this earlier, and you hit go. So here's medical assistants, dental assistants, physician assistants, administrative assistants. Most of you would say you're right here. So they give you all these neat facts, what they do, work environment, how to become one, pay, job outlook, yada, yada, yada. Job outlook, similar occupations, what medical assistants do. They complete office administrative and clerical tasks. Okay. Clerical task means you might be using the computer to do things. And another thing is that because of saving money sometimes, medical assistants, even though they're primarily medical, may be given clerical tasks to do to try and either help cover somebody with on vacation, or if somebody quits, or if the partnership is just trying to save money. You may be asked to do some things that you wouldn't necessarily think you'd have to do. Excuse me. So this is something you could look up. All right, search handbook. Make sure you do search, and then criminal justice. There's some criminal justice people. Police and detectives, occupational outlook, correctional treatment. Okay, you don't want to search this whole thing. You want to do the actual outlook. I'm trying to get back to the main screen. I'm just going to go back here. Now here, if you type in for my business people, maybe you consider yourself business management occupations. And then you have this whole variety that you can go through and look at. Okay, so you can probably use that to help you do this. What two alternatives can you find to replace Word? Include the links to the two alternatives you find. Okay, right here. Okay, links, that means if you don't do it, you're going to lose some points. I'm sorry, but you just need the links. When replying to peers, discuss similarities and differences in how Word is used. Did you find the same alternatives to Word? Okay, so smaller. The alternatives to Word we found back in the introduction. Remember the very bottom? I was saying OpenOffice and LibreOffice and those guys. So go back and use a couple of those if you want. To modules. Number 3, quiz. Remember the quiz you can take twice. Once you get started, you have to finish it, and it keeps a higher grade.